Hello guys, today and it's gonna be the eruption time.
What's up?
We got vinegar and eruption powder.
Let's go.
Okay, hold the video. Wait. I might need scissors for this one.
Yo, go for it. So we're just gonna have a little hold up. He's going to get scissors. We got the volcano. Okay, he's back with the scissors. Oh yeah, he got
Okay,
the.
get closer.
I don't want to
closer
get.
on a volcano.
Oh,
I don't care.
it says one. It said 1 teaspoon, bro.
Yeah, you're right.
I'm pouring the vinegar.
Wait.
Oh,
Okay.
wait. Hold on.
Move away. Get ready.
I want to pour the vinegar, my guy.
Sure.
Okay.
Sure.
I pour all of it.
No. Fine, you'll be a cameraman.
I pour all of it.
Yeah, all of it. Carefully.
Oh shoot.
Yo.
God, I thought it would be more powerful.
Yeah.
I'll put some more.
We need more vinegar too.
No, it's okay. We already have vinegar.
Oh yeah. Well. We need more.
What?
What's going on?
I thought
What's
it would
happening?
Go get more vinegar.
Be, thought it would be more exciting.
Hold on, guys. We're just gonna wait. He's gonna go get more vinegar.
I'll cut this.
Okay, we got more vinegar.
Oh shoot!
Yeah, I mean that's better.
There's still some more vinegar there.
I missed. I mean that was better, but like.
Bro, it's smoking.
Yo, it is smoking too. Is it hot?
Smoking.
If you want to find out,
You find out.
Nah.
I find out if it's hot.
Nope. That's the worst eruption I ever seen.
Yeah, I thought it'd be
Yeah.
like elephant toothpaste. You know that?
Yeah, that's elephant toothpaste. I thought it was even that. Guys, my finger is stained. My freaking finger is stained.
Yep. That's all for today.
That was kind of boring.
Yeah, that was lame.
Please subscribe and like the video.
That was lame.
See ya.